Here's my quick and easy routine for heatless curls using only 3 cozy curlers. Now you guys have seen me feature cozy curlers on my page before. They are these soft foam curlers. There's no wire, no rod in the middle to poke you in the head as you're sleeping at night. It's got this hairnet attached to it so you don't have to use any hair ties or anything to secure the hair to the roller. They are absolutely fantastic, but did you know they just released an extra long version, which is amazing for people like me with a lot of hair. They are exactly the same as the original curlers, so super soft and squishy, easy to sleep on, but they're just a little bit longer so I can fit more hair on them, which means I can use only 3 to curl my hair, which makes these super easy and quick to put in at night and super easy and fast to take out in the morning. To do this, I split my hair into 3 sections, almost like I'm just going to do a normal 3-strand braid. I want to make sure these sections are as equal as possible. Next, I'm going to spray that section with some water to get it slightly damp, brush it all the way up to the top of my head as high as I can get it, and place the roller behind the hair like so. I found that taking the hairnet and just holding it with my teeth is the best way to hold the top of the curler in place while I work with the bottom half of the curler to curl the hair. Then I'm just wrapping and twisting the hair. Notice how I'm constantly brushing the hair down to make sure it's not caught on the roller. Because the rollers are foam, they do grab onto the hair, which is a great thing while you're sleeping. It keeps it in place, but sometimes the hair can kind of get tangled a little bit around the curler as you go, so it's important to just brush the hair down to make sure it's not wrapped around the curler before you're ready to wrap it around the curler. But yeah, I'm just wrapping and twisting the hair. I'm letting it kind of twist around on itself as well, not keeping it flat on the roller for this style of curl. And then once I have all the hair wrapped around the curler, what I like to do is twist the curler into kind of a little bun, a little circle at the top of my head like so. And then I take the hairnet and I just wrap it over the top and it secures everything in place nice and neat. I don't need any other bobby pins or ponytails to hold this in place. Everything you need is on the curler itself, which I love. And then I just go and repeat the same exact steps on the other sections, once again brushing as high as I can get it on my head because I want it to be up on the very top of my head, so when I'm sleeping on my side or my back or anything, it's not in the way. I don't have just like this big lump of a curler on the side of my head. I'm doing the same thing in the back. I like to place the curler underneath the hair in the back instead of on top, but I have done it both ways and both ways work, so whatever is more comfortable for you to twist the hair around, go with that option. But this is by far the most comfortable heatless curls I've ever done. You can see here whether I'm sleeping on my side or my back. I toss and turn in my sleep a lot. I sleep in so many different positions at night, it's ridiculous. But the curlers don't get in the way. They're on the very top of my head there. This is the next morning. You can see they held up very well. The back slipped down maybe half an inch. That's about the only thing that moved. And then I just like to unwind the curlers. I usually start from the bottom and then just slowly unwrap them all the way to the top. And then once I have the curler out, I just go in and break up the curls with my fingers like so. And then I just repeat those steps with the other 2 sections. I really love this curl routine. It is definitely my favorite I think that I've ever done. It's super fast. It takes me about 5 or 6 minutes to put them in at night and about 2 minutes to take them out in the morning, as opposed to curling my hair, which takes usually at least 45 minutes. I've been doing this nonstop for like 2 or 3 weeks now. I absolutely love it. Yeah, this is just such a game changer for busy mornings and hair health. I absolutely love them. I want to say a huge thank you to Cozy Curlers for sponsoring this video and for sending me their products ahead of launch so that I could thoroughly test them out for you guys. But yes, whether you have long hair or short hair or extra long hair, there's now a cozy curler for you. Definitely check them out. Thank you so much for watching and have a great rest of your day. Bye!